As we all know that Kolkata Jagannath Chariot, they were having Boeing 747 tires for last 48 years. And in 1977, one devotee who was making this chariot was Prabhupada disciple from America. So he has put old Boeing 747, he has purchased second-hand tires from Boeing, and he has put those tires. But 2005, we noticed that the tire was in not good condition. So we started to think what will be the replacement, and then we found out that Boeing 747 tires there is no second-hand tire is not available. So then we started to think what will be the alternative. In 2018, we found that Sukhoi's tire, its dimension is same as Boeing 747 tires. So then we approached MRF. Finally, MRF in 2025 this year, they wrote us back and they told that yes, but why you need Sukhoi planes? They are very, very surprised. So I told that we need it for Chariot of Jagannath, and I told we had Boeing 747 tires. So they sent one very senior general manager to verify our claim. So they came to Newtown and they saw for themselves that actually the tire of Jagannath Chariot is of Boeing 747, and that model was no more produced anywhere in the world. So they agreed to sell Sukhoi tires, the latest Sukhoi tires. We know that in recent war, Sukhoi plane were used. So same tires they supplied. And we have put those Sukhoi, exactly same tires here in Lord Jagannath chariots. Yesterday night, we also did a trial run. So, Sukhoi planes, actually you can say Sukhoi planes tires, it ran all over Kolkata in the night yesterday. Almost 24 kilometers we covered. We did a trial run. And many people are asking, what is the significance? Actually, we never planned that which tire we'll put. But seeing, the current situation, all over the world, different nations, they are fighting with each other. So this is just my thought, that maybe Lord Jagannath thought that my children are fighting with each other. This is not good. So let me give the message, the peace is the best thing. We should strive for peace. But sometime to achieve peace, there is a saying in Sanatan Dharma, Bhaya bina hot na priti. Even for, without fear, there is no love also sometimes. It is unfortunate. But it seems Lord Jagannath is giving message that bachcho sudhar jao, because ultimately if you will fight with each other, both of you will suffer. So we hope that 54th Kolkata Rath Yatra will give the message of peace. Lord Jagannath will give the message of peace. And we hope that sense will prevail to the world and everybody will strive for peace.